What's up?
Nothing much. I just heard some bad news.
Oh, really? What?
So you know who Morgan Freeman is, right?
Yeah, what about him?
So I just read on Twitter that Morgan Freeman got into a really bad car accident, and he didn't make it.
Oh, Jesus, that sucks. He was a great guy. Hey, did you hear about Morgan Freeman?
No, what happened to him?
Apparently got in a really bad car accident, and he didn't make it. My friend was telling me this earlier.
That really sucks.
Yeah, I know.
Everybody loved him.
An average of 23% of Americans said that they have shared a fake news story online, in which 14% of Americans have reposted these stories to others, knowing that they were false. These are the reasons why everyone should make sure things that they read online and on social media are credible and come from reliable sources. If you are told something that you're not entirely sure about, it is always wise to research using credible sources.